In recent times, Pinduoduo introduced a situation whereby only WeChat cannot allow you or cannot guarantee you to have full access to Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And as a result of this particular update right here, quite a lot number of countries were excluded of phone number binding with your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Like Nigeria was affected and some other part of African country and some European country. And as a result of that, quite a lot of users that are using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app find it difficult to successfully log in into their Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, even with their WeChat account that has been successfully verified and installed on the phone. They are still being denied from accessing Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app as a result of new features and new updates that Pinduoduo now require every user to bind their phone number with the app before they can have full access to the app. So if you find yourself in this category and your country was not listed in the number of countries that we are available as at the time of making this video, here is a possible solution that you need to do. And I'm going to discuss everything right here in this video. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pindoo or Education, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Like I said earlier in the beginning of this video, and someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp, just like what you see right here. What you need to do is to watch this on record right here and pay proper attention to a possible solution to this particular issue right here. Now, this person here reached out to me on my WhatsApp. Good morning, sir or ma. Then this is the issues right here. Please, I save your number from your YouTube channel. I'm having issue with my WeChat, and this is my response right here. Morning, what is the issue with your WeChat account? So at the initial stage, they were complaining about adding address to their WeChat account, and this is my response right here. So there is not necessary to add an address except if you are activating WeChat wallet. So however, we proceed with the communication. So can you check for me if it is verified, sir? And why am I unable to link my WeChat to a particular app, which is Pinduoduo right here? Now this is where the issue starts, and I asked for a screenshot. So okay, sir. So they go ahead and make a screen record of the video right there, which I'm going to simply play right here, and then check it out. Just like what you just watched right now, and I want to believe that a lot of people that are trying to have access to Pinduoduo, most especially if their country was not enlisted of the phone number section, they will have this type of issue that this person faced right here. Now, there are two possible solutions to this, and it is going to be work perfectly for you, and you will have full access back to your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. One of the first solutions here is that if your country was not in the listed phone number options, what you need to do as far as first option is concerned is to get a virtual phone number. To get a virtual phone number from any of the country, like for instance, I'm going to simply show you. So like for instance, these are listed country right here. So what you need to do right here is to make sure you get a virtual phone number, maybe from this country or this country or this country, or any of this particular country right here. So what you need to do is to select the country code. So when you select the country code, get a virtual number of that particular country. And the virtual number is a kind of number that you can use to verify any issues like this online. So you can get the virtual phone number for that. So when you get the virtual phone number, they will send the verification code to that particular virtual phone number. Get the code and enter it back into your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app right there, and the account will be fully logged in. And with that, you have full access to your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So this is the first solution right here. The second solution you can use right here is that If you have someone in a country that has been listed right here in the video right here, if you have any country that has been listed right here, so what you need to do, if you have anybody in those countries right here, what you need to do is to make sure you reach out to the person and tell them exactly what you want. So what you only need as far as this is concerned is that you just need their phone number. When you get their phone number, enter their phone number alongside with the country code that you selected right here. So when you select their country code, then you will need to simply, let me play the video again. So when you select their country code, so it's going to change from this 86 by default right here to that person country code. The same thing applied to virtual phone number. So the next thing you need to do is to enter their main mobile number right here. Once you enter their main mobile number, click on here to request for verification OTP. And the OTP will be sent to the person. Now, when you are doing this, there is a frame timeline for this particular thing. It's not something you can do and take much or a lot of time. This is about 30 seconds. So make sure that the person is actively online and they can easily send you verification code fast. Once you receive verification code fast from the person, enter the verification code right there in your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, and the account will be logged in successful and the account will be fully verified. Once you are fully verified, then you can have full access to your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, just like this one I'm about to show you right here. So you have full access right here. Once you have full access, you'll be able to click on your profile right here. So if I click on my profile right here, it takes me straight into my profile. Then you have everything successfully registered into your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. So this is what I have for you here as far as binding of your Pinduoduo with your WeChat account is concerned and how you can actually solve the problem. So if you still have questions as far as this particular tutorial is concerned, or you have any other issue with your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to put your issues or questions down in the description of this video, or better still, for quick response, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.